Start.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate Blumenthal small incision cataract surgery. This is an uncut video of surgery. Appropriate congenital flap is a very crucial step in SICS, as a properly made flap can be well reposited and covered soon at the end of surgery. Adequate bipolar wet cautery should be done. Excess use of cautery can cause scleral thinning and unpredictable astigmatism. Partial thickness scleral incision 1 to 1.5 mm posterior to surgical nimbus with back cuts is taken. These back cuts do not contribute to surgical induced astigmatism. Sclerocorneal pockets are dissected with 2.6 mm crescent blade. Lamellar dissection from sclera to cornea and extension of same plane towards the other end reduces risk of buttonhole or premature entry. Two side posts semi-wire blade are made. 6 o'clock port is used for AC maintainer and 10 o'clock port used for the cystotome for the rhexis and also for the aspiration. Rhexis is performed under AC maintainer. Use of viscoelastic material is not needed. .2 keratomy is used for anterior chamber entry with out to in movement so that internal incision will be parallel to the limbus. Hydrodissection is done for prolapsing the nucleus in the anterior chamber. Need to be careful and stop the AC maintainer flow while hydrodissection is done. This is to prevent sudden increase in the intraocular pressure. Cis glide is inserted in the anterior chamber and the nucleus is engaged in the incision. Prolapsed by the gentle pressure on the lower lip of the tunnel and AC maintainer by hydroexpression aids in the prolapse of cortex and epinucleus plate. For cortex removal, single port aspiration cannula can be used. PMMA IOL is inserted and placed in the bag with IOL dialer. And the hydration of the side port is done. Subconjunctival injection of the gentamicin and dexamethasone is given. At the end, reposition of the conjunctival flap is done, which is very important. Thank you.